Welcome to the demo of the 26C feature, AI Agentic App Production Shift Operations Workspace, Use Enhanced Advisors, in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. In this demo we will look at how the Production Shift Operations Workspace has been enhanced to help production supervisors see risk sooner, understand the current shift more clearly, and move directly from insight to recommended action. With this update, the AI Agentic App Production Shift Operations Workspace has been further enhanced to give supervisors a richer AI-powered view of shop floor execution. The enhanced advisors bring together work order risk, production health trends, operator qualification checks, and exception resolution guidance. The result is a more actionable workspace for keeping the current shift on track. Today, supervisors often spend significant time reviewing production data reported by operators, checking equipment metrics, monitoring exceptions, and switching between multiple user interfaces to understand what needs attention. Many of these decisions are time-sensitive and require immediate action to keep production on track. This agentic app brings those insights together in a unified workspace. It consolidates operational data, highlights exceptions, and provides intelligent recommendations so supervisors can make faster, more informed decisions and reduce manual effort during shift execution. It provides faster issue resolution with risk-based prioritization, deeper insights, and guided corrective actions. Let's walk through a demo flow covering the key enhancements introduced in the current update. We will start in the Production Shift Operations Workspace and review the enhancements made in each of the advisor cards that support the current shift. We will look first at the Work Order Advisor, then the Production Health Advisor, Assigned Operator Advisor, and Exceptions Advisor. The Production Shift Operations Workspace is an AI-powered agentic application that enables supervisors to efficiently manage shop floor activities for their work center during the current shift. The Work Order Advisor, Production Health Advisor, Assigned Operator Advisor, and Exceptions Advisor work together to consolidate operational insights, highlight exceptions, and provide intelligent recommendations that improve decision-making and execution. In this demo, we will review the enhancements made to each of these advisor panels. The Work Order Advisor has been enhanced to improve risk-based prioritization. Production risk evaluation has been expanded to include work orders awaiting execution. Risks are categorized as critical, high, medium, or no risk based on the assessed delay in completing the operation. The Work Order panel now displays both the in-progress workstation, where work is currently being carried out, and the assigned workstation, where work is expected to be carried out. The new reason column explains and quantifies the identified risk. In the expanded view, you'll now see that the recommended work order operation assignments panel supports more scenarios. For example, it can recommend assigning operations that are currently unassigned, and it can also recommend reassigning operations when a workstation goes down. Each recommendation includes an explanation, so the supervisor can understand the reason behind the suggestion and decide whether to proceed. We've also introduced a new recommended work order operation rescheduling panel. This panel evaluates delays based on the expected completion date and recommends rescheduling actions. These recommendations are also supported by explanations, helping supervisors make informed decisions before taking action. The Production Health Advisor now includes additional subpanels that provide historical information and more context. The Percentage Metric Trends panel shows historical data points from the last 25 shifts for OEE, its components, and downtime percentage. This helps supervisors compare the current shift's performance against recent trends and quickly understand whether performance is improving, declining, or staying consistent. The Quantity Metric Trends panel provides a similar view for production quantities, including planned, completed, rejected, and scrapped quantities across the last 25 shifts. We've also added the Top Drivers of OEE Loss panel. This panel summarizes the key losses contributing to OEE, grouped by reason codes and OEE categories, so supervisors can quickly identify what is having the biggest impact on production performance. The Exceptions Advisor has been enhanced to help supervisors resolve resource-type exceptions more effectively. For example, for a resource exception, the supervisor can now perform an action to mark the workstation as down besides creating a maintenance work order. It also provides visibility into all open maintenance work orders created for the asset associated with that production resource. This gives supervisors better context on ongoing maintenance activity and helps them understand whether a resource issue is already being addressed. Next, let's look at the Assigned Operators panel. We've introduced operator qualification checks, so for each operator, the advisor shows their qualification status and highlights any work order operations they are not qualified to perform. We've also enhanced the panel summary to give supervisors better insight into operator activity at the workstation, helping them quickly identify assignments, current activity, and any qualification-related concerns. To wrap up, this demo showed how this update makes the production shift operations workspace more useful for daily supervision by combining risk-based work order prioritization, deeper production health insight, operator qualification validation, and guided actions in one AI-powered workspace. For more information about this feature and the steps to enable it, please refer to the documentation linked here. This concludes the demo. Thank you for listening.